Pares ka talaga ni Nico, sobra.
This is the dad who's very organized eh.
Okay, baliktad, di ba?
Scattered
Pares
brains,
ka ni Nico.
like, are you super organized, Mike? Sa mga ganyan?
Oo.
Hoy, no cheating! Hey, no cheating!
I know!
Hindi, it's like this. I am organized, pero pag ginamit ko siya, it's a mess. And then after I use it, ayusin ko siya ulit.
How does that make you feel? Sa student mo? Sa protege mo?
Sa...
Sa student mo, sa protege mo?
No, maayos siya. Nung nagbuo siya, maayos.
Again, pares ka.
Dude, in the Gunpla doc, it says 8 and above.
Exactly! See? Parehas ka.
Hindi, pero sabi na
Alam mo, you're lucky kasi parehas ka ng mentor mo. Like, imagine if nagkapalit tayo mentor. That would be hell. That would be hell.
Pero nag-online ano kami.
Hindi, like ngayon, sa bahay,
By the way,
ganyan yung table. Ganyan.
Hindi ko kaya.
Hindi, I was doing something, so I left it.
Even though I do something, hindi ko kaya. Mas organized pa ako if off camera. Ganito ka weird yun. I mean,
you told me about this eh. During the ay, cut it out eh. With Nico, you don't agree with how she does things eh. Na,
ganyan din kakalat si Nico. Nico, nasan yung ano? Pero alam niya where it is.
Baka ikaw ganun ka rin. Alam mo kung nasan yung piece, kahit baka na siya.
Hindi, since I don't have a proper place yet, ganyan. Pero pag naayos siya, ayokong may uupo doon.
Pero alam mo where you put the stuff.
So, yes, unless gagamitin.
So,
doon ako naiinis na pag alam ko nasa drawer, pag tingin ko, nasan?
So ako kasi, may place ako sa Kalaban na rin yan. It's a 2-bedroom place.
Pero ngayon, sa bahay, since
It's
si
my
ano
studio.
works sa dining table naming mahaba, wala na akong say na, I mean, sabi mo, how can you tell somebody that works at 10 a.m. to fix this and do this? Hayaan mo na lang.
Yung wife ko, when she goes to my studio, kasi I rented the place, ginawa ko studio, so 2-bedroom yun. You can go to one section, pero after this line, you cannot go there kasi I remember how it's arranged. Makalat siya. Pero if you ask me, where is P23 part? I can get it. If somebody sits on my chair, oh my god, I will freak out.
Well, I'm sitting on my chair right now, so who's freaking
Soon
out
to be
now?
my chair.
Pero yes, makikita makalat.
Ako hindi, di ba nakapunta na sa bahay?
Yeah. Like,
Pero like, kung dinesignate ko na yun, dahil I build where I do office
part separator,
kaya
white
siya
paint,
messy.
I cannot-
Pero if like, ma-convert ko na yung middle
here.
room, nakikita mo doon, is, ako lang ang pwedeng pumasok. Like, pag gamit
Wait, you
ko,
live in Astoria?
no, just near.
same with you. Ikaw lang pwede pumasok.
Where in Astoria?
Hindi, just across.
Yung sa KFC, yung ano?
Hindi, sa Gold Loop, sa halos tabi.
Hindi, Gold Dome is malaki eh.
The two yellow buildings na twin. Gold Loop is the loop. And
Oo nga, Gold Dome, that's ano, there's UAP, there's parking here, then there's...
katapat ng mini stop sa Escriba.
Oh, okay. Rich kid.
O hindi! Bakit? Pareho lang tayo ng lugar. Magkaiba.
Gago mas mahal doon.
Hindi! Mas mahal dito. Mas
Ah,
mahal
sige.
ang grocery
Ah, sige,
dito.
ganun na lang, ganun na lang.
Korean. Oo.
Kataas lang tatag natin.
Ayun, tama. Wait, ganun. Tama. Higit na lang. I am currently paying for the ek of the bodega. Of the former bodega.
Bodega na ano?
Hindi, yung bahay na yun, yung condo na yun, ginawang bodega, I moved in na unti-unti kong binalik
Ginawa niya.
sa dati niyang glory.
Bodega ng ano?
Gamit! Lahat ng
Tinambakan lang ng
Tambak
gamit
lang.
ng parents
Gamit.
mo.
Their family is so rich, they have so much stuff that they buy a condo unit just for bodega.
Tabakan lang.
Hindi, dati yon na fully functioning home.
Nasaan yung ano?
Tapos when we
Nilalang ko
got
doon na
lots out of Manila, like
Higher
border
na
na,
What?
when we
White,
migrated
flat white
south,
ng higher.
hindi naman tambakan yun.
na malaking bote.
Ng lumang gamit.
Hindi, ng mga bagong
Ayun,
gamit na
extra.
hindi nagamit.
No, not that bottle. Ayoko yan, kapal yan.
Pero
You have a flat white big bottle high roll.
I've observed.
Keep-
Makikita mo.
I would say reverse now.
Put this into perspective. There are, nung nag-asawa ko, I
If you
never
cannot
bought
work,
anything.
I will look for your
Plato,
new menu.
pinggan, gamit, lahat.
No,
From parents.
Wala.
when my dad
Kasi
had
nga,
apprentices,
marami
he
yung
only
ganun.
had one for 3
Hindi.
years. Every 3 years, isa lang.
It's fully furnished, pero yung
Whatever,
living
bitch.
room,
The funny
dati
thing
puro
is,
kahon. Lahat ng kwarto
It
puro
takes
kahon.
people
Yung
with
kwarto ko
money.
dati, pati kama
So it
pinuno
does
ng
take
kahon.
3
So,
years.
when I moved
It
in,
does
I
take
made
3
it
years with
livable.
him. Hindi, pero magaling.
na may pwesto
That's
kami.
called our friend that's
Naglalagyan ng
stupid. Ano
Gunpla.
ba?
Yung masters doon
No?
lagyan ng bus.
Anyway,
Pero I
You wanna
cannot
sit down,
know
Joe,
what
right?
I did not buy.
Yes.
Yeah, that's you.
No, I'll buy the Sidanju.
kaya
Right,
nga.
right.
You have the talking number receipt.
Ako nang nagbabayad ng parking,
How do you
juice,
solve that?
the association of real estate.
Nasan sila, mami?
Huh?
What the fuck? I have you.
Sa San Juan.
Oh.
They're inside, they have
San Juan, Green Hills.
they have sa San Juan, and pero ako talaga naka-based ako sa Alabang. My the house,
With the mud marks and all that?
my house is there. I
Read.
moved here
Okay.
because of the pandemic.
Gago, hindi sa'yo yan.
Okay,
Kasi
but you have a house in Alabang.
Kaya lang.
Oo.
Basa nga.
Sa akin.
Sino nun?